Welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today I have something. These are double-sided sublimation ornaments, okay? Alright, and you have 10 different designs. We are going to press one. I have already pressed one. Very shiny. They do have a protective layer on them, so you will peel this off before you sublimate on it. Now, when you sublimate on these, you are going to sublimate at 340 degrees for 70 seconds. All right, see how pretty. You will get a ribbon, a red ribbon for these. I did not bring these back here, but I wanted to show you the bell, the snowman, and the Christmas tree are $1 each, and the rest of these are going to be $2. Alright, and let me just point out, if you do not do sublimation, you can still pull the plastic off of here. You can sand it down, you can paint it, you can even put adhesive, printable printed adhesive on there, like a buffalo, and then put a name on it, so it doesn't have to be sublimated. Alright, and we will do the other side of this one, but I wanted to also do the dog bone. Alright, so I have pulled both sides off here, and we are going to press. Let me get a piece of blowout paper. Alright, and we will do one for the top. Alright, I have a cute little puppy here. So I'm going to put this on here. I do a medium to firm pressure. Alright, 340 for 70 seconds. Alright, so this is going to be hot. I'm actually going to lay this . Alright, look at that. Woo. You put it on this. Alright, and we have 10 different designs. Like I said, these are the material MDF. It's kind of like a wood, thick wood material, so they will not break, which is wonderful. The ceramic ones, you know, doing the pressure and everything, you could crack them. They become brittle with the heat, but these right here are going to last. And the good thing about these right here, these are not only for Christmas. You can do your design and hang them on your rearview mirror if you like. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. They are on our website. Come take a look. Thank you.